Today we have the Verve Viper phone mount with the vibration dampener, so you can actually see your phone whenever you're riding and the bike is on. And we chose the fork stem mount, but they have many other ones, so I'm gonna show you how to put it on. So you take off the top, and it's an Allen piece at the bottom, and it came with tools, so you can use those. And you can choose whichever one will fit inside right here. We already have it on. So you put it inside this piece, and you use the Allen to turn it, and then it spreads it out to make it so it will grip. And you put the top piece back on. You take this piece, open it up, and then take the vibration dampener, no, I think this might be first. If you chose to get it with the dampener, you take this piece, and the dampener has a little nut screw at the bottom. Screw it into the square, and whenever it's tight, you take the bolt and the ball, has a little square on it, put the ball in the square, then you take the nut and put it inside the ball, and then use the Allen it came with, screw it in. After that is done, put it inside here, and however you want it, you put it like this, and then you can move it to wherever you want after you tighten this down. And then it locks in place. And you take piece. This can fit on any phone. You peel this off after you clean the surface of your case. Stick it right there in the middle. Then you pull this piece right here. And then it's on. Let's go see how it works. Let's test it out. the Verve Viper because it is very strong. I recommend the Verve Viper because, as you see, it has a very strong magnet. It is very durable, and it locks in place to where you can see your phone. And whenever the bike's on, it has a vibration dampener